Okay, so I'm going to do a demonstration on the new Dyson Max. I guess that's what it's called. So this is the Dyson here. Of course, you can see I already have some dirt. It's very, very powerful. I love this Dyson. And here is some like dirt under my couch. So I have my couch lifted, and I'm gonna show you how powerful this Dyson is. So what you do is push this little button here. And there you have it, all clean. And then you can see here what it picked up before and after. Like, it literally picked up so much dirt. Love my Dyson.